Hi, I am Mariam and this is QueryBI. My goal is to help you feel confident turning messy numbers into meaningful insights that matter at work, in business, or wherever decisions are made. When you open a new dataset, have you ever wondered where do I even begin? Most people assume we start from the beginning, but in statistics, we often begin in the middle. And that actually makes sense. Imagine you're working with a dataset of hundreds or even thousands of values. Wouldn't it be helpful to know where the center is? That middle gives us a solid starting point. It helps us get a feel for the overall pattern of the data before diving deeper. Let's try a simple example. Say you have the numbers 10 and 14. Where is the middle? It is 12 because it's right between them. Now let's say your data points are 5, 8 and 20. Where would you say the middle is now? That is where the things get interesting. There is not just one way to define center. In statistics, we typically use 3 different tools to find the center of dataset: mean, median and mode. The mean is what most people know as the average. You add up all the values and divide by the number of values. It gives you a kind of balance point. Then there is the median, which is the exact middle value when the numbers are arranged in order. If your data has an odd number of values, the median is the middle one. If it is even, you take the average of the two middle values. Finally, there is the mode, the value that shows up the most often. For example, in a data set like 3, 7, 7, 9 and 10, the mode is 7 because it appears twice. Each of these tells a slightly different version of the story. The mean is affected by extreme values, while the median is more resistant to outliers. The mode tells you what is most frequent, which can be useful in certain contexts. Together, they help you get a better sense of data's center and uncover the patterns hiding beneath the surface. So the next time you are handed a dataset, don't worry about where to start. Just look for the middle. That's where the story begins. Remember, statistics is not just about numbers. It's about making sense of them, one step at a time. Thanks for tuning into QueryBI. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Bye-bye.